Hello everyone, I'm Neha and I'm back with a new how to tutorial, and this is going to be a very short and quick tutorial because this is just one small change that many people, many Facebook page owners, they look for and they get confused because there are so many options, when it comes to making edits in your Facebook company page or fan page. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to tell you that how you can change the business category of your business of your business fan page, business Facebook page. So right now, I'm opening one Facebook page which is of Tri-City Travels, and it's a travel agency based in Chandigarh. So this is the new look of the Facebook pages. So you can see the logo is coming on onto the left side, and the cover image is coming like this, and you'll be able to see the category over here just below the call to action button, which is for them it is contact us, and right below this button you can see the category of this fan page, which is travel agency. So for example, if I while creating this page, I might have selected some particular category, and but later on I decided, or I might have felt that this is not the accurate or the most appropriate category, and I feel like I should change it. So I would like to tell you that how you can do it. So since if you're logged in as an individual ID, go to the login as your page. Just need to click over here and then click on your page, and then you'll be able to see this look, and then click on this about, and here you'll be able to see some brief information about your page. So you need not to look anywhere else, just click on edit page info, and you'll be able to see your details, right? So right now you can see the main categories, companies and organizations. So for example, if I want to make it local business or any other category, for example websites or blog, so definitely I'll choose that. For now, definitely I'm not going to change it because I'm happy with my current category. This is just for the representation purpose only, that I'm letting you know that how you can do it. So you can change it from here. There are multiple options right now. You can select as work, magazine, brands or products, local businesses, movies, music, other. For example, if some category, you are managing a page of some particular category which doesn't fall under any of these main categories, so you can choose other. Otherwise, I believe companies and organization, local businesses, brand and products, and website and blogs are the most common categories that most of the market is going to use. So click on the preferred category, and then you'll have to choose your subcategory. So any category that you would like to choose as your secondary or second level category, you can choose that. And then the Facebook also gives you options of adding subcategories. So I can see one more subcategory that can be added, so I'm gonna add that. In case I find anything else, it's not letting me add anything else because pages can have only three subcategory, and they have mentioned the disclaimer as well that pages may only have three subcategories. So you'll be able to add only three subcategories. For example, if I want to add in description about my business, about my page, so I'll be adding out here. No, I'm gonna keep like this only, and I'll add detail one later on. Click on save change. First of all, click on save changes out here, and then click on save changes of the description, and you are done. So since I've not made any changes in terms of the category, you can always go to the after making the changes. You can always go to the page and check out whether the new category has reflected or not. So I hope you liked my video. Do subscribe my channel, and do like my video. Share your comments, feedback, or any sort of query. I would always love to answer them. Thank you so much. Bye bye.